look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what's really going on inside our minds when we're making decisions and trying to solve a problem? Have you ever wondered if there's a method to the madness of your mind when it comes to problem solving and decision making? Do you ever find yourself intrigued by the mystery of how your mind functions, how it impacts your everyday life? Well, stick around because we're about to uncover some mind-blowing psychology facts that will give you a whole new perspective. Let's get started. So, let's start with the basics. What is thinking? Thinking is basically our brain's way of processing information and forming thoughts. It's how we make sense of the world around us. But did you know that our thinking can sometimes be influenced by biases? These are like sneaky shortcuts our brains take that can affect our judgment and decision making. For example, confirmation bias makes us seek out information that confirms what we already believe, even if it's not entirely accurate. It's like wearing a pair of funky glasses that make you see only what you want to see. Confirmation bias can sneak into any part of our life, from politics and relationships to what we choose to believe about ourselves. It can warp our perception of reality, preventing us from seeing the full picture. So, how can we overcome this cognitive mischief maker? It's all about embracing different perspectives, seeking out diverse opinions, and challenging our own belief. It's like taking off those tinted glasses and seeing the world with fresh eyes. Remember, being aware of confirmation bias is the first step to outsmarting it. Stay open-minded, question your own bias, and let the truth shine through. Now, let's talk about the two systems of thinking. Get ready for a mind-blowing revelation. Your brain has not one, but two thinking systems at work. Our brains have a quick and intuitive system, known as System 1. There is also a more deliberate and analytical system called System 2. This one takes its sweet time, carefully analyzing information and considering all the options. System 1 is like the speedy superhero of your mind. It's the quick thinker, making split-second decisions without you even realizing it. It's like your brain's autopilot mode, relying on instincts and intuition. System 2 is like the Sherlock Holmes of your mind, solving mystery and cracking puzzles with careful thinking and logic. Understanding these systems can help us recognize when we might be acting on impulse or using critical thinking. Ever heard of metacognition? It's a fancy term for thinking about our own thinking. It's like having an internal conversation with ourselves, where we can monitor our thoughts, assess our understanding, and make adjustments if needed. Metacognition is a powerful tool for learning, problem solving, and self-reflection. Now, let's explore the wonders of creative thinking. It's like having a power that lets you see things from different angles, connect seemingly unrelated dots, and come up with ideas that make others say, "Wow, I never thought of that." Imagine you're faced with a challenge. While most people might go for the straightforward, predictable path, creative thinkers take a detour. They explore uncharted territories, ask crazy questions, and embrace wild ideas that others might dismiss. Creativity is all about thinking outside the box and embracing new perspectives. So, don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild and see where it takes you. Finally, let's talk about cognitive development. Our thinking abilities evolve as we grow. From infancy to adulthood, we go through different stages of cognitive development, where we gain new skills and ways of thinking. It's like unlocking new levels in the game of life. And that's a wrap, folks. We've taken a journey into the fascinating world of human thinking. From cognitive biases that can trick us to the power of metacognition and creative thinking. Our minds are truly incredible. I hope these psychology facts have given you a better understanding of how people think and a fresh perspective on your own thought process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Let us know in the comments what you found most intriguing or if there are any other topics you'd like us to explore. Remember, thinking is a superpower, so keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep expanding your understanding of the incredible human mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next